Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Google VEO 3 for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your Google app and then you're going to search for Google VEO 3 and then you can visit this Google Gemini website and then wait, it's still loading. Okay, and then I'm going to click on try VEO and you're going to click on upgrade. And here you can choose Google AI Pro. You can get the free trial for 1 month and you can cancel it anytime. I'm going to click on get Google AI Pro. Okay, and then I'm going to select pay on my phone. Okay, and to make the tutorial faster, I'm just going to use my another Google account, and I have already subscribed to the Google VEO 3 on Gemini with this account. And as you can see, I got Pro, and then here we'll be able to generate a video with AI. And for example, I'm going to create like cartoon video. I have already created the prompt with ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy it. Wait. Alright, and then we can click on generate with VEO 3. Okay, and now the video is being generated. Okay, my video is ready. And this is the video. I'm going to play it.
An invitation from the Royal Palace.
And if you want to download your video, you can click on this download icon here. And the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Google VEO 3 for free on Gemini. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.